2018 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, compass, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, fog lights, heated front seats, trip computer, brake assist, power moonroof, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, tachometer. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.